It's us. How you doing? Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you.
A tough competitor in this competition.
Nice weight, good looks. And I'm tearing this thing apart. Of the fishing. Whoa, 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 whoa! Look at this.
Hit as soon as it hit the water.
Yeah. Oh, a little one though. He's fatty. Yeah, he's a fatty. He's actually heavy for a little bluegill. You know what else I found to be a good strategy is hitting the area right next to the bed of plants and stuff. Yeah. We own this spot.
So who came up with the wu-tang?
Me.
Name, man?
That was me. I'm a big fan. That's one of my favorite wu-tang songs too. And I'm huge into puns. Whoa, look at this. Hit on the way down too. Did you guys stop at McDonald's or something? Yeah, but you couldn't like get in the drive-thru? You had to eat it over there too? Oh, look at this little guy. I'm not gonna keep him. You guys need worms?
Yeah.
What's up, Sean? They're in the cooler right there. You can take that bin if you want.
What's that?
You can take that bin if you want. I got more bins in the cooler. Yeah. Yeah, so you can just keep it with you.
All right.
What's up?
Yeah, what's happening, team?
What's up, Sean? Where's Team Colin?
Oh, no.
What do you mean you don't know? He didn't come with you?
No,
He didn't come with you?
no, he's supposed to be driving himself. I'm about to call him and say the coach is looking for you.
What is he gonna do? Should he be a ringer or something?
Yeah,
Show up late?
Just come in at the last
Pinch hit or something?
They got a push right there, big push right there. Look. How I do, son? There you go, Mr. Wu.
Yeah.
I just caught, dude, look at our bucket.
Oh, do I even need to fish?
At this rate?
Nope.
At this rate, no, but.
That's all I do. Dude, they come fucking, I'm telling you, they make that just fly out the water sometimes.
Man, he didn't even answer.
Yeah, I just caught a nice one from this side too. It's pretty sweet.
Do they have to be alive when we wait?
No, they're not. I do have a, yeah, look at the size of that guy.
Hey.
Fish water on my drink.
All right, so we need just like, how many is it? 10? 5 or 10?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Oh, so we got to get to work.
I'm already killing it.
All right, let me get, can I get one of those cheating hooks?
Cheating?
Yeah, these are cheating hooks.
Why?
They're so small. I forgot my pliers at home. I ain't catch your name, man.
Victor.
All right, Victor. I'm Jeff. And that's Sean. Oh,
That's fine. I mean, you can keep them out there in case you need them.
yeah.
So you don't have to go through the bag or anything. We're actually running the debate right now.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not corking, he's corking, but he's getting hits on the cork, but his hook is too big. So he's not getting like real hookups. And I'm getting tons of hookups, and I caught some fish, and my hook has always been small. This is serious business, man. People showed up at 6.
People were here early, an hour early to get that spot.
Yeah, there's a little one. I mean, we're gonna hold on to him because he's actually a little heavy, but.
All right, so we need 15 fish. I got my scale.
Oh.
We can weigh it next one.
Oh yeah, I got my scale too.
See how many ounces it is. All right, let's see if this camera's charged. I haven't seen it.
Oh, got it. This is getting smaller. I'm gonna keep them as a just in case. If that spot is dying, we can hit another spot too. Because once the sun comes out, things will be a little bit different. We might need some shade once the sun comes out. There's a fish on here, but kind of small. That's how I do. This is like 6. Oh man, I came here like about a month ago. I could have won that contest by myself with the cichlids I was catching. Seriously. What is this little guy? What is this cute little guy? Cute little fishy.
Is there a minimum size? No?
There's no minimum. But I mean, there's pride. Well, there we go. Oh, had him. Still on there, I guess. Nope. Ooh. Small guy.
Fishing a split shot on there, or
No.
just a
Just a hook? I think we're gonna keep this guy. I'm getting a lot of bites on the way down rather than just letting it sit there. Too small, huh?
I don't know. How many do we have so far?
I mean, we don't have that. Oh, I didn't set the hook. I think it's a little guy. I can't even see him. Look at the size of this guy. All right, we're in a different area of City Park. Trying to try our luck because the other area we were at kind of died out a little bit. Please don't go in here. Please don't go in here, doggy. No, please don't go in the water. Please don't go in the water. Please don't go in the water. I think I got one. Yep. Ooh. Bass? No. Ooh, that's a nice one. That will keep, right? This one will keep, right?
Is it bigger than these three? Yeah, bigger than that one.
Oh yeah.
All right. Upgrade. Throw that one on the arm. Okay.
All right, we'll do. He is there. Yeah. Nice weed fish.
What?
It's a fish. Might not be an upgrade, but is it an upgrade?
It's gonna be an upgrade, but it's almost 10.
Oh, no,
Yeah, let's
man.
take that one.
Yeah, I was gonna say I think that one looks just a hair bigger. It up, put a little cork on there. Ooh. Right on time, huh? Little guy, but oh snap. He came off. Tandem rig for the win. Oh, there it is, there it is. Ah, had it. Still there, still there. This could be an upgrade. You got a good one?
Yeah, you got a big one.
Let's see him. Ah, that's a big one. That's a half a pounder right there. Just trying to make it to the weigh-in. Hopefully I'll make it this time. This is heavy. You know, because the fish are so big, you know, you gotta like,
Do we help lift it up?
you know, I need help.
2 minutes. 2 minutes to wait.
All right.
I'm
I'm glad I called you.
This is it. Okay.
No, we're playing on the hand.
Team C.R.E.A.M. That's our shortened name.
All right.
Yeah, that's good.
Is there water in there?
Yeah. And there's like 16 fish, I think, because we weren't sure we counted
Hold
right.
on, let me get it.
So I guess at some point we need to call one out.
Yeah.
That thing will be like 2 pounds. I didn't see any of it. I saw it on that too. It's all about temperature.
I'm not jealous. I don't have Rio envy.
Count 15 in there.
I think 16, so we have to count them, count one of them out. So,
Dump 15 in.
all right. Eleven, 12.
13.
Is it? Same. 4. Yeah, throw a couple of them in there.
13.
All right, 15. How many did?
No, they did say you gotta kill one.
4.17.
That's big.
I just like raising my hands up. I didn't win anything.
Do one perch like you got like a weight
That's our bucket. Where's y'all's bucket?
Ah, right there. I think she said she wanted to keep the Rios. There's
We
some
already
kind
got
of.
the Rios
You already got
out.
enough? Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Second place. Second place.
All right,
Second
in
place,
first
all right.
place, your name
Thank you very
appears
much.
annually.
Second place. Thank you.
He's a tough competitor in this competition.